It has been reported that Rulani Mokwena, a South African coach who's the head coach of Casablanca in Morocco, will leave his position as a head coach in Morocco. The Moroccan Giants brought in Rulani Mokwena to shape things and to help the team to qualify for Champions League, or at least win a League Cup or a championship, or maybe qualify for the Champions League by finishing second. But as things stand, we could see that Rulani Mokwena is struggling to fit in and to rope in a team that will help the team to move forward and win games. So far, he has won 13 games, drawn 12, lost 7 matches. The league is still ongoing. We'll see what will happen going forward. But his management or agency has reported that Rulani Mokwena will leave Casablanca when the season concludes, respectfully. We know that for the past few days it has been reported that there's a salary problem, that Rulani Mokwena and the assistant coach has not been paid for 8 months. Imagine 8 months of not being paid, and Rulani Mokwena has been under pressure to deliver results. Imagine that the fans expect you to deliver results for the team, but you're not even getting paid. How was Rulani Mokwena surviving for these past few months? This shows that they don't respect him, they disrespect him. As I said a few days back, that I don't think they would do that to European coaches. They just see an African kid and then they take an advantage of him, knowing that he's just down to earth and very humble. And he was told not to react to fans when they throw in things, disrespecting him and stuff. He had multiple meetings with the management of the team to try and calm him down and reach maybe a common ground on how to move forward. But clearly things has not worked in his favor, and the management feels that they need a well-equipped coach to lead the team to go forward. But at the same time, Casablanca failed to honor the contract, pay Rulani Mokwena each and every month. They've shown poor level of professionalism by not paying him. But they expect him to deliver results, but the guy is not even getting paid. How is that possible? Hi.